Hello guys, this is video number 5, and now I will show you how to use the SQLMAP tool for database that we use it to hack into database for the websites, and you can access it from the applications, database assessment tools, and you will see the SQLMAP, which is used with most of the websites. And here you can type manual and hit enter. Type MAN for manual, SQL map. It will give you the orders, the usage for this command, which is helpful if you would like to use it, if you would like to read it. Okay, we will go back to what we do. Now I will do from the beginning. Google.com. You wanna get a website that have at the end it have an ID and number. ID equals number. I will use this website. bible-history.com. I will take this website, copy it, then don't need a new tab. Go to Google. I will search for its ID. How we search for the ID? We type the site, and 2 dots. Then you paste the site. You give it space, PHP, question mark, ID equals, and enter. It will give you the IDs if it's available for this website. This website use kind of like PHP database. It will show you in the SQLMAP tool. Now you got the website and the ID. Now all what you have to do is go into SQLMAP, type SQLMAP-U, and you take it. It will not copy and paste between windows, so I'll just let it go. I'll just write it down. I'll type it in the terminal. HTTP here, HTTP dash subcat. I'm not sure if it have a dash after that or no. Should be dot. Okay. Dot PHP, and the ID here equals 1 dash DBS for database. This will change after we get the database to a capital D. So you hit enter. It asks you if you want to continue. Yes. We got the database here, Bible history. Copy it. Press the upper arrow for the past command you typed. Delete the database, use 1 dash with capital D, then go forward. You want the Bible history one, and that was a mistake. I don't know why it just it did take that command. I'm not done with it yet. So Bible history. Now you want to see the tables. So tables, like the database before we get it, double dash and tables. Now it will show you the tables. These are the tables. I will choose from the tables Bible book. So it's nothing personal in it, it's for everyone, so we can just kind of see it. You press the upper arrow again to get the past command and modify it. 1 dash capital T, and now you got the tables. You put the name of the table that you want the columns for, but you remember to put double dash on the before the columns. Now it will show you the columns. It have two columns, book and book order, and two types. I will use the book. Hit the upper arrow again on your keyboard to get the past command. The columns, we already have it, so it's 1 dash and capital C. We will want to see the book dash dash dump. Enter. Yes. These are, I think everybody knows what are these. So now you see. It will keep loading, so now you know how to navigate through the database, and you know how to access this tool from applications, database assessment tools, the SQLMAP. On video number 4 we used this one, which is I would consider it easier than this one, but this one have more elasticity with websites. It's easier to catch the websites with, and me personally, I like to use the command, the terminal. So this is the book, and this is what does it have. And let's see what we have. Yeah, it opened the DOM. Okay, that's it. Well, I hope you enjoy it and learned something from this video. If you did and enjoyed it, if you did learn and enjoyed this video, please subscribe for my channel. And thank you. We'll see you in video number 6. Bye.